Hello and dear students, welcome to the MOOC course on Geography of Tourism. Tourism is one of the world's largest and fast growing industries. Geography of tourism combines the relationship between geography and tourism and the geography of various continents and countries. The concept bridges global destinations with localized deep dives, typically broken into structured parts like the foundation, relationship between human geography, landforms, ecosystems and travel movements. It explains various global tourist destinations. This course is open to undergraduate students of geography, hospitality, travel and transport management or any other enthusiast. The course runs as a structured 12-week online course. It gives 4 transferable academic credits under the National A.B.Sc credit framework. The MOOC courses provide access to video lectures, reading materials and weekly quizzes. The geography of tourism is a fascinating subject that combines nature, people, culture, economy and environment into a meaningful field of study. Thank you and best wishes for your learning journey.